Yeah, welcome to my new video. This particular phone is off and on, off and on, off and on. I checked the power flex and nothing wrong with the power flex. And I checked everything, nothing wrong with them, even the panel itself, nothing wrong with the panel. Now I want to try another battery, and I try another battery, the phone on and boost and show the menu. So that means something's wrong with this former battery that inside the phone. So I'm trying to lose the panel out so that I will remove the phone, so that I will remove the battery. Now the panel is out. I'm trying to remove the battery. Yes, when you happen the phone on and off and you check it's not flashing and it's not the power flex, the next thing for you to check is the battery. So watch me and see how I work this battery. The battery now come back to life again and work properly for the phone. Watch, I'm trying to remove the battery. Engineers, when you want to remove a battery like this, be very careful because this screen is still working and those flex, so that you will not cut the flex or break the screen. I have removed the battery now, so I'm trying to open the battery mouth. That is where the IC is. That's what I'm trying to do now. Watch carefully. I will explain how I work this battery and the battery come back to life. Watch it. Just watch the video carefully. What you were able to do, share the video and also subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Yeah, I'm trying to lose the battery. When you are trying to remove that is the comb or the tape, the solo tape that they use for the battery, be very careful so that you will not make mistake. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I finally removed the tape, solar tape. Yes, watch carefully and see. Watch. This particular IC, see what will happen to this particular IC. This particular IC is the one that caused that phone to off and on, off and on. See what I'm going to do for that IC. Engineer, you also watch it carefully. Watch it carefully. Watch it carefully. Watch it carefully. Just watch what I did to that IC. I want to remove that IC now. I use my hot to iron, shake the battery, shake the IC, so that, and I remove the IC out because that IC caused the phone to off, on and off and on, off and on. I have removed the IC now. This is the IC. As you can see, this is it. I have removed it now. The IC is out of the battery. See what I'm going to do next. That will make the battery to come back alive. Yes, if this is the first time that you come across my video, please do wait to subscribe to my channel and watch my all my videos. There's no other you watch my video that will not learn one or two things about phone, even though you are an engineer or not. Just watch. Yeah, you see, I removed the IC out. So what I'm going to do next, just watch it carefully. Don't rush. Watch it carefully. Watch carefully. I use my soldering lead. What I'm trying to do now is this. I'm trying to join the two leg of that IC together. That is, you bridge the two leg together. Yes, that's what I'm trying to do now. Watch it when you are doing it, so be very careful. Don't allow any of them to peel. Be very. You can use your jumper wire. If you don't want to use, you can use your jumper wire. Tap from this edge to this, to the second one, or you breach the two leg where the IC is before. Engineers, watch it carefully and see what will happen. That is what I'm trying to do. I just want to be careful so that I will not make mistake, because this party is still working. Yeah, watch it carefully. Don't skip any part, just watch it. You will see what happened to the battery next. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to breach the the place where the IC is, the two legs. Just breach it together, or use your jumper wire, that's connection wire. Cut it, just join it together. Join the two legs together. Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. You can zoom it, you can zoom the video. Yes, you can zoom it. You see it very well. You can zoom it, yes. You see, I join it. I bridge the two together. Yes. Now, when you finish bridging the IC together, make sure say you tape everywhere. Just tape it very well, so that positive and negative would not mesh together. When something like that happen, you know what it means. Just be very, very careful. Make sure say you tape everywhere, that you notice this place is a naked area. Tape everywhere. Just watch and see. Use your solo tape. Tape everywhere. That's what I'm trying to do now. Please wash it very well. Wash it very, very well. Yes. I don't try to tape everywhere. As you can see, if the battery don't come back to normal how it is before. You see it. Very clean work. When you are doing work, make sure say you take your time and do the work. Don't rush. This particular time that I'm doing this work, if you talk to me, I will not answer you. I will not answer you until I finish this work. Yes, that is how I do my work, so that I will not make mistake. I'm trying to fix the panel back, as you can see. There's no backyard business like this. Life, a life work. Watch it very well. You understand what I'm trying to do. See, I'm trying to clip the battery back. Engineer, be careful when you are clipping the battery. Yeah, see whether the phone will work properly. I'm trying to on the phone now. The phone is on. Let's see whether the phone will off and on again. Let's see whether the phone will off and on again, or whether the phone will boot and show the menu. You see, there's nothing like off and on again. Yes, engineer, if you have any question to ask, you can drop it at the comment section. I will do way to answer you. You see, the phone come back alive and the battery is working properly. Please, when you are doing this work, make sure say you dey very, very careful to do the work. If you have any complaint, have any question, ask. I normally like when you ask me question, whether I do this stuff well or not, or if you have any issue, just ask. There's no problem, and the phone is charging properly, as you can see. Watch very well. The phone is charging. You see, that is how this work done. Anytime when you see say the Android phone is off and